Welcome everyone. I am going to talking about enhancing business efficiency with data room software. Virtual data room software can significantly enhance business efficiency by streamlining document management, collaboration, and data security. Here are the some ways VDR software can help business and become more efficient. Number one is document organization and accessibility. PDFs provide a structured and organized way to store access documents. This ensures that employees can quickly find the files they want or need without wasting time searching through physical documents or reorganized digital folders. Number two is secure data sharing. PDFs offer a highly secure environment for sharing sensitive confidential documents with authorized parties. This is particularly valuable in industries like MA deals and legal finance, where data security is paramount. For mergers and acquisitions to other high stakes transactions, VDR simplify the due diligence processes. Multiple parties can access, review, and collaborate on documents, saving time and reducing the risk of error. And VDR enable the saving time and the other time very clearly, and VDRs enable teams and partners from different locations to collaborate in real time. This is crucial in today's global business landscape, allowing for more efficient cross-border communication and collaboration. VDRs often have a version control features which help teams keep to track document change and edits. This reduces confusion and prevents the use of outdated or incorrect documents. Some video offer workflow automation features that allow you to create a managed document workflow, automate approvals, and set up reminders and notifications. This minimizes usual repetitive tasks. VDRs come with the robust security measures, including encryption, user access control, and audit trials. This feature ensures that sensitive information is protected and that your business remain compliant with the relevant regulations. Using VDR reduce the need of printing and storing physical documents. This is not only save the money but also contribute to environmental sustainability. When information is readily accessible and secure and decision makers can access the data they need quickly. This is accelerate decision making process which is vital in today's fast paced business environment. Some video offer analytics and reporting tools that can provide insights into user behavior, document engagement, and other metrics. These data can be used to make informed business decisions. PDRs facilitate and collaboration with clients, partners, and external stakeholders. This can improve relationships and streamline the document